Have you ever imagined the rush of adrenaline as you lean into a corner, the roar of your engine echoing through the air, and the thrill of the track beneath your wheels? For any motorcycle enthusiast, the idea of racing on a renowned circuit like Lakeside Raceway can feel like a dream come true. But what does it really take to experience a track day there? How does Lakeside Raceway stand out compared to other tracks? And what should you expect when you join the many riders who take to the tarmac? Well, in today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Lakeside Raceway's motorcycle track days. Whether you're a seasoned racer looking to improve your skills or a beginner wondering what your first track day will be like, there's something here for everyone. Let's start by talking about the track itself. Lakeside Raceway, located in Queensland, Australia, is a legendary venue that has been hosting thrilling motorsport events for decades. With its tight corners, sweeping curves, and an overall layout that demands precision, it's no wonder that riders from all over the world are eager to experience its challenges. But what makes this track so special? Why do riders love it? Lakeside Raceway is not just about speed, it's about technique and control. The track features a unique combination of fast straights and technical corners, providing the perfect environment to refine your riding skills. It's not just about having the fastest bike, it's about having the finesse to handle its power in challenging conditions. But how does this affect your experience as a rider? Well, it's simple. Track days at Lakeside are designed to help you push your limits in a controlled environment, giving you a chance to ride your bike to its full potential while learning the art of cornering, braking, and throttle control. Now you might be wondering, what is a typical day like at Lakeside Raceway? Well, it all starts with getting your bike ready and going through a safety briefing. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran, the importance of safety can never be overstated. You'll go over track rules, guidelines, and even some tips for riding the track efficiently. But do you really need to be an expert to join a track day here? Not at all. Lakeside Raceway offers different groups based on your skill level, ensuring that everyone has a chance to improve at their own pace. For beginners, you can expect to ride with other riders who are at your level, with instructors available to provide guidance throughout the day. And as you gain confidence and experience, you can progress to more advanced groups where the pace picks up and you get to push your bike to the limit. But is it only about riding around the track? Absolutely not. There's a huge focus on improving technique, and each session is an opportunity to learn something new. Speaking of learning, let's talk about the benefits of attending track days at Lakeside. One of the biggest advantages is the improvement in your riding technique. On the street, you're constantly dealing with distractions, traffic, and road hazards, but on the track, you can focus entirely on your bike, the road ahead, and your performance. The more you practice on a track like Lakeside, the better you get at handling your bike in any situation. Let's ask ourselves, how much does track time really help? Well, studies show that racers and track enthusiasts who spend regular time at a track are not only faster on the circuit, but also safer on the street. By mastering skills like braking late, leaning deep into corners, and maintaining throttle control, you're building muscle memory that can be invaluable on real roads. And don't forget the thrill of it all. Track days are more than just about learning. They're about enjoying the ride. For so many riders, the feeling of speeding down the straight and hitting the apex of a corner is what it's all about. There's nothing quite like the pure, unfiltered joy of racing around a well-maintained track with a group of like-minded riders. But let's shift gears a bit. Is Lakeside Raceway only for seasoned riders, or can anyone join in the fun? While it is true that the track presents a challenging layout, it's open to riders of all levels. From beginners just starting out to more advanced riders looking to improve their lap times, Lakeside Raceway caters to everyone. In fact, if you're just starting out, there are even training days and coaching available to help you get up to speed. This makes it an ideal place to take your first step into the world of track riding. What about the bikes themselves? You might be thinking, do I need a high-end sport bike to ride on a track like Lakeside? Not necessarily. While high-performance motorcycles like Yamaha R1s or Kawasaki ZX-10Rs are popular choices, you don't need to have the latest and greatest model to enjoy the track. In fact, some riders even take their street bikes to the track to see how they perform in a racing.